Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this new sneaker. It's a sneaker white and this pack contains 5 sneakers as it's mentioned over here, 5x. And this is something new. It is in a flavor of white chocolate, white milk chocolate I believe, with same peanuts. I have unboxed Snickers 2 times earlier also with different flavor, and this is the third Snicker which I'm gonna unbox it. What else? They have mentioned the sugar, fat and saturated salt and everything per container or per box, per bar. They have mentioned very good thing that please keep it in a cool place. So always keep your chocolates or something, whatever they mentioned, that keep it in a cool place. And this is a country of origin is Russia, so it's a product of Russia. So let's not wait for much and open this Snicker. As you know, it contains 5 bars, so here they are. Isn't it looking beautiful? Nice. Now I'm gonna open this one. I love Snickers, whatever the flavor is. I have eaten 2 earlier and I love both of their taste. So this is how it looks like. Total white chocolate, white milk chocolate, and from inside let's see how it looks like. So that the jelly form of thingy is there, and caramel thingy, and the nuts, as you can see over here there are nuts also. I'm gonna taste one. The chocolate is tasting very nice. The white chocolate, amazing. Little bit same taste, little bit different, means half. The outer layer changed and it's amazing. So friends, go and try this new Snicker. If it is available in your nearby stores, go and grab them. It's yum. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and press that like button for more my videos.